guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe down below and become part of the flower patch. This is part 3 of my Colorado trip video. At the end of this video, there will be a little sneak peek of what's coming on part 4. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I was left to my own devices. Many days fell.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Morning. Hello. It's December 27th and it's 12:23 and we are on our way to Spring, Colorado, something like that. So we just arrived to the Garden of the Gods, Nature Center or something like that. I don't know what it is. Just waiting on my family to get here. Finally they arrived. Hola.
Maybe I'm crazy. I'm sexy and I know it.
Hola.
Having a debate on that one because he said that they never fall from the mountains, but I'm pretty sure they fall from the mountains.
I don't think so.
Yeah, they fall from the mountains. I'm pretty sure they do. We had a 30-minute fight yesterday about this. Top 10, Texas, guys. So proud of Texas. It was really, really pretty and it was free, so even better, right? My hands are freezing. They actually hurt of how cold it is. It's so beautiful. I am gonna stay here forever. I do not want to go back ever. It's like salt water. They have little like fountains around this little town with the healing water. So apparently heals anything inside of you and it heals like acne and stuff. But it doesn't taste good at all. It tastes like not salt water, but something like salt water. We don't even know where we are, but we're about to eat. Doesn't he look super handsome? Daddy, what did you order?
Pork.
My mom and I ordered another pepperoni pizza, but apparently it blew up, so we're just waiting. They're making it again. Let's see. My dad is gonna try pork.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So my tia just dropped food on the floor. We were going back to the hotel and then we saw something and I asked my parents to stop. You're not gonna guess where we are. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to come here. From the outside, it's huge. He's taking care of my jacket because I'm trying to record. And he's mad. As you can see, here is Juanito in his natural habitat. So it's my little cousin's birthday on the 1st, and we're gonna celebrate it here. So look what I got him. He's obsessed with monkeys, so I think he's gonna really, really like it. We bought a cake. Was it good? He ate half, and I'm eating the other half. It is so, so good, honestly. Good job, IKEA, with your restaurant. I love to go into IKEA. It was amazing. There was everything and anything you could ever think of. It was like a little maze to get around the whole store, but it was just incredible. I loved it. I could have been there for hours. But we had to leave because my parents did not like it there. They got really stressed and they started going crazy. Like my mom and my little brother started laughing hysterically around the store. I was very confused. I didn't know what was going on. But I think it's just that they were really tired. My dad got really upset. He just wanted to leave. He couldn't be there anymore. But for sure, I'll be going back to IKEA. After that, we went back home and there was cookie made for us. So that helped my parents cool down a little. They were really, really good. And they tasted incredible with milk. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Hey! No. Part 4 of my Colorado trip videos will be coming this Wednesday. Be sure to turn on the little bell on so you can get a notification when it comes out. A part 4 of my Colorado trip, we go a little bit more up north where it is snowing like crazy. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is like white all over. So please don't forget to check that out on Wednesday. I'll see you guys later.